Sandy soil is poor type of soil if we compare it with the other three types due to lack of organic matter and nutrient content in it. It is not suitable for agriculture purpose, and also because it cannot hold water and the water drains through it very quickly. Due to all these reasons, it is not good for agriculture purpose or for the plant growth. But the vegetables that can be grown in sandy soil are carrots, radish, potatoes, lettuce, tomatoes, corn, watermelon, cucumber, etc. Coconuts also grow well in sandy soil, and cactus, a variety of desert plants, they grow in sandy soil. The sandy soil is very poor in nutrient content, but the addition of organic matter can help give plants an additional boost of nutrients by improving nutrient content and water holding capacity. Sandy soils are light grey to white in color, as most minerals that give color to the soil are absent in sandy soil. Next type of soil is silt soil. Children, in your book, instead of silt soil, word humus is written. So you should cut that word and you should write silt soil. Silt, which is known to have much smaller particles as compared to sandy soil and made up of rocks and other mineral particles which are smaller than sand and larger than clay, and it is the smooth fine quality of soil that hold water better than soil, and when you add water to it and then roll it between your fingers, you will see dirt sticking to your fingers. So this way also you can test whether the soil is silt or not. And the composition of silt soil, it varies. It is not fixed. Silt is easily transported by moving currents. We had discussed earlier also, when we were talking about the formation of soil, we had discussed the topic silt also. What is the meaning of silt? So it is mainly found near rivers, lakes and other water bodies. It is brought by the water currents, and they move with the help of water currents and they get deposited at riverbeds or they are brought to the plains. So silt soil is more fertile as compared to other three types of soil. Therefore, it is also used in agricultural practices and improve soil fertility. Silt soil is very good for growth of plants and helps soil to retain water. So it is very good for agricultural practices, and many types of plants like herbs, shrubs and trees grow well in silt soil. And farmers grow many types of crops like wheat, paddy, etc. in silt soil. Silt soil is a light and moisture retentive soil with high fertility rating. The color of silt soil varies from brown to black, means they have dark color. They may be dark brown or blackish in color due to the presence of large number of nutrient content.